How to delete Google Drive backup on Trust Wallet. So if you want to delete your Google Drive backup on your Trust Wallet, then first you need to open up your Trust Wallet application. And once you've opened, now make sure to log into your account or your wallet. And once you've logged in, now you can go for your main wallet, which is on the upper left. Tap on your wallet and tap on the three dots, which is on the right side. And here you will have your Google Drive backup, right? So if you want to delete your Google Drive backup, then simply tap on Google Drive option, which is on the first. And here on the bottom, you will have delete backup. So if you want to delete the backup, then tap on delete backup. And if you want to stop the process right now, then you can simply stop it, because if you delete it, then you won't be able to restore this wallet from your Google Drive account. So if you really want to delete it, then tap on proceed anyway and enter your authentication, and that's it. That's how you delete your backup. And if you want to again backup, then you can tap on backup now, which is on the right side, and your backup will be started. So that's it. That's how you delete your Google Drive backup on your Trust Wallet. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.